introduction and tell something about your journey in acting and how you get started and what was the inspiration really to start the acting career?
Firstly, thanks for having me. And I am Anila Kharbanda, and I am an actor. Finally, I can say this after a year. And this show that I'm doing, it's called Mera Desh Bulai Re. It's from DD Kisan. It's already on air, and I'm playing the lead character. It's called Mansi, Urf Macy, and it's an NRI character who comes from America, and she hasn't ever been in India before, and after 15 years she comes to India with her boyfriend. He's called Karan, and Karan is from India, and his father has sent him to America to study agriculture. और मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है, मेरे डैड ऑलरेडी फर्टिलाइज़र कंपनी के ओनर हैं, और मेरी कंपनी में करण काम करते हैं, और वो आते हैं इंडिया मुझे लेकर, और हम यहाँ रियलाइज़ करते हैं कि मुझे कोई एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा है. Typically Indian family, typical drama where nobody is accepting me, and so there's a lot of emotions going on, and after a point of time my motive is very clear कि I'm here to support Karan, and we get to know that there are a lot of problems going on. Farmers की बहुत problems चल रही हैं यहाँ पर इंडिया में, और अभी जो current situation already चल रही है, I think we are depicting that in the show. So it's a very relatable show in the current situation of the country, and we realize with time that these problems are not gonna ऐसे finish नहीं होंगी. We'll take time to eradicate the problems, and eventually we do that. And apart from this, helping Karan out, there is also a love triangle that is going on between me and Nirjala, who is playing the other lead, and she and Karan. So Nirjala is basically the typical village girl who falls in love with Karan since childhood, and later do I realize that this girl is in love with Karan. So yeah, that's how the journey is so far. बाकी आपको show देखना पड़ेगा to get to know more about it.
You have been part of other shows also. What difference did you find doing a show for DD Kisan? तो अभी भी वो सिंप्लिसिटी और जो रियलिस्टिक होता है, जो पहले के ज़माने में होता था 90s के एरा में, जो शो में DD के, वही अभी भी है, या जैसे कि मेलोड्रामेटिक और शोज होते हैं सैटेलाइट चैनल्स पे, वैसा ही है? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस यू फाइंड?
I think that's a beautiful question you asked. For me, there was me being an actor. I've just started off my journey as an actor. It's just been a year, and when I was offered a show from the national television, I was pretty happy about it, because nowadays people want to do OTT, they want to come on big platforms, but there are a lot of our Indian public which is still watching the national television, and to be a part of that platform, it was a big achievement for me, I consider, because even in today's time, चाहे कहते हैं ना कि कितना भी देश आगे बढ़े, बट कुछ चीज़ें रूट्स की होती है, और आज भी हम में से भी कितने लोग आज भी वो ट्यून जानते हैं, सो एंड आई थिंक विद माय शो हमने बहुत ही रियलिस्टिक रखा है, बहुत ही इन द वे दैट वी शॉट इट इन अ वेरी न्यू एरा जनरेशन, हमने उसको वैसे ही शूट किया है जहाँ पे आई थिंक इट्स वेरी रिच फॉर द प्लेटफॉर्म. So we're getting a very good response from it, and everybody is really appreciating and acknowledging the show a lot, because we've got very big actors. We've got Prithvi Juchi, we've got Anita Kulkarni, we've got Nimay Bali ji. So these people are already very they're renowned in their own way. So yeah, I think me being a part of the show, it was a blessing for me.
Secondly, being part of a television industry, being an actress in the TV industry, it's not easy to get a break in Bollywood or come for the Hindi industry.
Correct.
Do you think how do you manage to get sideways the image of from a TV actress to a Bollywood actress in the future?
I think as an actor, I've never mainstreamed myself कि मुझे सिर्फ TV ही करना है, या मुझे सिर्फ Bollywood ही करना है, या फिर मुझे सिर्फ वेब सीरीज ही करना है. I am giving a chance to myself.
What kind of label लेबल लग जाता है कि टीवी एक्ट्रेस है, तो इट्स नॉट इजी टू गेट अ ब्रेक इन हिंदी फिल्म एज सच।
जी, ये आई थिंक बहुत बड़ी आज की डेट में आई थिंक मिथ हो गई है, क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं रहा कि जो टीवी में है वो अब फिल्म्स नहीं कर सकता, या जो फिल्म्स कर रहा है वो अब टीवी में नहीं आ सकता। ये इट्स बिकम अ मिथ नाउ. I think everybody is getting on platforms, and it's all about how the audience perceives you. If the audience is very acknowledging of you being on screen, they don't care if you're on web series or you're doing a film or you're a TV or you were a TV actor. So I think times are changing, and with time people are going to change as well.
And talking about, as you mentioned, you have been part of other shows. There are few production house who rules the rest. Talking about Balaji basically.
Correct.
So do you think that culture is a very dominant kind of a thing in the TV industry?
I think these production houses have their own recognition. We all want to be a part of it, and of course they've done their struggles to reach there, and we are doing ours. So of course they, I think, own it, so it's not bad to be not considered a part of it. Or I worked with shows like Aladdin, I've done Vignaharta Ganesha for Sony, so these are very recognized shows, and it's a beautiful feeling to be a part of it. So
yeah, there are two topics which mostly arises in the industry. One is the nepotism topic, and the other was the Me Too movement. So talking about the Me Too movement, have you ever faced any bad kind of a circumstance or situation, when you are finding a role in the industry as such?
See, I think everybody faces it somewhere or the other. I've been in the industry for 10 years now, and and acting has just come to me an year ago. But I think it's not only in the acting field that we face such problems. It's all over. Even if as a stylist, it was a very hard journey for me. It's not been easy at all. Firstly, considering my appearance, people just feel that we can just do anything and get off with it. So yes, I think we all have had our tastes and bits of this industry. It has its own pros and cons, and I very clearly know one thing, that when you step into this industry, it's a game, and you have to reach the goal. So there'll be a lot of things coming in your way. You just have to surpass all of it and achieve your dreams however you want to.
And the level of a filmy family kind of a thing, Kapoors and all these people, do you think it's very difficult for a newcomer to make a mark in the industry without any godfather?
Again, I'd say that that's a myth. It's nowhere anymore. There's so many beautiful actors that are coming in the industry. Consider Siddhant Chaturvedi, or you consider Ayushmann Khurrana, or you consider any of these actors. I think they've made a mark, and I don't believe in nepotism in the sense, I think ये industry ऐसी है जहाँ पे आपने खुद choose किया, या you chose to be here. So जब ये गेम ही ग्लैमर की है, जब ये गेम ही उस चीज की है, तो यू हैव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट हाउएवर. और वहां पे अगर नेपोटिज्म की बात आती है, मुझे लगता है कल को अगर इफ आई ऑल्सो बिकम अ स्टार एंड माई चिल्ड्रन वांट टू स्टेप इन द इंडस्ट्री, if I have a name, why would I not be privileged enough to give it to my children? So I think they are doing a fantastic job, and I don't believe in this entire philosophy of nepotism. You have stepped in this industry, and I think you need to make your own mark. अगर आप में talent है तो वो दिखेगा और वो बिकेगा. So that's a policy that I believe in, considering I am not from the industry, considering the fact that I am stepping in the game. But I believe if you have it, then nobody can stop you.
Besides Kangana Ranaut, no A-lister actress has been able to carry their success without the support of any A-lister, has been able to carry the success of the film project without the support of Kapoors or Khans or Kumars. So how do you find the fact? कितना आपको लगता है ये fact कितना सही है, गलत मानते हैं आप?
मैं यही चीज़ बोलूँगी, अगर आप में वो कैलिबर है, वो परसिवियंस है, आपको कोई भी स्टॉप नहीं कर सकता. आई नो दीज बिग फैट elephants are down there in the industry to sometimes erode you as well if you come their way. but I think they've reached that success and they've reached that fame level where we still are in that bridge of somewhere reaching a % of it. तो अगर कंगना ये सब करते हैं या फिर इतने अदर एक्टर्स हैं जो अपनी to get their recognition and in I would not even say recognition, to come in that space of those elephants, it's I think a big achievement considering ये लोग जो भी करते हैं. It's such a beautiful achievement कि they've made a mark somewhere. So
after achieving success, like there are many actors who achieve success, have that talent, but they cross the limit of exposure sometimes, and they say that it's the demand of the script or there's the demand of the act. So what comment do you have to make on it?
To each its own. I think उनका अपना खुद का choice है और उनका अपना comfort zone है. और आजकल OTT platforms are doing so well that sometimes I feel the actor just loses path. Sometimes that they just want to be there in that game of being recognized because OTT platforms are doing so good. So sometimes I feel they go out of the way, but again, to each its own.
Lastly, what's the planning for your future? What kind of vision you have for the future as an actress?
See, coming in this field, I had never decided where things are going to take me, and I still have no clue that how my path is going to be made, but I am giving my best. I want to give my best. I want to achieve whatever I can, and the industry is not an easy game ball for everybody, but I still feel that whatever comes your way, give your best take. So as an actress, I have no clue as of now where I would be choosing my path, but I am looking at great opportunities here on, considering that if I back this character, considering that I'm getting a good response, I am looking at various amazing opportunities. And for me, I've never felt that any work is small or big. It could be a small character for me, it could be a lead character for me, it could be anything that suits my persona, something that I can deliver very comfortably. I would love to be a part of. Thank you so much.
मुंबई रफ्तार न्यूज़ की खबरें पसंद आने पर हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें.